Hey guys, welcome to yet another YouTube tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to install or integrate paystack, which is a payment processor, onto your website. If you're excited to see content like this, stick around. So this is a payment processor called paystack, which I'm going to be showing you step by step in this video how you can integrate it onto your WooCommerce website and start accepting mobile money payment or credit card payment, depending on the country you are from. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works by placing an order. So your clients or your customers will be able to add your products to cart and then check out with the help of paystack. Okay, so let's place an order and see how it works. So we're waiting for the payment gateway to pop up. Let's wait a minute. Alright, and as you can see, this is paystack payment pop-up. With paystack, your customers will be able to pay you through card or mobile money. Okay, if you're from Ghana and you're integrating paystack, we have an option that will enable that makes it possible for your clients to pay you via mobile money. And as you can see here, they'll be able to choose a provider: MTN, Airtel, Tigo, or Vodafone. Okay, so that's how paystack works. Alright, let's now go and do the technical stuff, and that's where I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate it. So I'd like you to go back to your WordPress website and then go to your dashboard. Okay, so after you land on your dashboard, just like this, I would want you to proceed to install a plugin. So you go to plugins, add new, alright. So in this search box you type paystack. Okay, paystack, and wait for it. And you scroll down, as you can see, there's a plugin here with 20,000 active installations. Alright, so this is a plugin I want you to install, and this is what will enable us integrate paystack onto our WooCommerce website. Alright, now click on install and activate. In my case, I have paystack installed and activated already, so I will not do that again. The next step we want to do is to go to WooCommerce, go to settings, and then click on it. So this is where we're going to be integrating the API keys from paystack. Alright, so once you are there, make sure you go to payment. From there you scroll down, and we're looking for paystack payment option. So this is it at the bottom. Make sure you enable it. So first it will be disabled. Okay, just like this. Make sure you click on it to toggle it on. Once you have that on turned on, make sure you click on manage. Alright, so this is the page where we're going to be integrating our API keys. Now here you can see you have enable and disable. Make sure you click on it to enable this payment gateway. Under the description option, here you enter what you want your clients or your customer to see before making payment. So you can leave it as default. Make sure you leave this as it is, because if you enable test mode, that means you'll not be able to collect live transactions on your website. All right, so everything should work fine for you if you leave everything as it is. Now below you can see live secret key and live public key. Now where do we get these keys from? Before you can get these keys, you need to create an account with paystack. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be showing you just in a moment, so just stick around. All right, so you can open a new tab and type paystack.com. all right, so when you type paystack.com, okay, so all right, just wait for. Alright, so this is paystack's homepage. Now click on create free account. So when you click on this, it will take you to a registration page that will enable you to register on paystack. Okay, you'll be asked to upload your national ID, any of your national ID documents, be it voter's ID, Gather card, or whichsoever document they request for, you provide, and then after that your account will be created. Once you have your account created, you'll be redirected to, or you'll be able to log into your dashboard. Okay, so after successfully verifying your paystack's account, make sure you go down here, you see settings, just click on settings. Okay, now on top you can see API keys and web hooks. Click on API keys. Now here are your keys. These are the keys you will need to integrate to your website in order to have this payment processor active on your website. So make sure you click on, you see this eye icon, you click on it in order to view your keys, and you copy those keys and go back to your WooCommerce website and then paste your keys here. After that, make sure you save the changes, and successful, your paystack payment processor or method will be activated on your shopping website. I hope this video has been informative. If you found value out of this video, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this channel I teach web design, web hosting, cPanel, and tech related content. I'm Solomon, signing out. Bye bye.